you got a best infrastructure in the country, who has failed Kerala, state of Kerala? The leadership, the health minister, the chief minister, or the people of Kerala have failed each other by not following the norms, as the health minister was pointing out earlier. So whom do you blame, the leadership or the people of Kerala who don't follow the norms?
I am blaming the government, no doubt about it. What about the body of the people? People will follow the government. Initially, I told that whatever the instructions given by the government has been followed by the people, irrespective of politics.
I think let Shelja teacher should respond, but he's saying basically government has failed the people and not because you had the infrastructure, you had done very well, just suddenly you started propagating yourself and now you see the scene what has gone wrong with us.
Yes, Chawlaji.
Mr. Chawla, I can very well tell you one thing more, that considering the best infrastructure facilities in the country, Kerala would have been performed better than today. Our performance would have been better.
Let her respond now to your thing. Yeah.
Yes. I want to point out some things before our honorable opposition leader, The first part itself, we are warning, the government is warning that if we lose or if we gather together, we will lose. And we should obey the guidelines of the health department. The opposition leader is saying that the first part we had done a PR work about that. Because I mentioned earlier that I am not familiar with the BBC or Guardian or any that kind of medias. They propagated that Kerala is in the first place or Kerala is best out of the countries throughout the world. Kerala is performing well. The world media is propagated like that. They are not familiar to me, but they are propagating else we had got here. And that is the result of the collective work, as Ramesh Chinitala said, the collective work of the health department and the local self-government and the poor people throughout our country, our volunteers and our very good health system. Yes, opposition leader said our health system throughout the year we are building a very good health system, public health system in Kerala, but within 4 years, when the over this time, that exceeded more than a bit, so that the advancement of the health system, anyone can examine that we were converting our PHC to family health centers. We are making our health systems most modern, taluka hospitals and also district hospitals, etc. We are giving more infrastructure facilities here. And we are starting new clinics in primary health sector itself. I am not explaining everything. That helped us very much during this COVID season. And we are working hard. We were working hard. But after the lifting of the lockdown, I myself and Honorable Chief Minister also want the people that don't gather together. The government is lifting the lockdown only for protecting our livelihoods, to going for works, etc. But we should have to obey the guidelines of the health department, and we should prevent any gathering. And in some part, we decided that only 50 people for marriage functions, and also 20 people, only 20 for the funerals, etc. But some people obeyed and some didn't obey that. For some,
let me interrupt you, because basically what we are discussing is who is responsible for the third wave. I call it third wave because you got 7,000 cases. You are blaming the people of Kerala, and that means, are you saying unlocking is not working because people of India or Kerala? I'm talking about everywhere it is happening the same thing, that people are not masking themselves, they are not keeping social distancing, they are not doing sanitation properly. So do you think that we go back to locking again?
No, nothing. I am saying that human beings are mobile. We cannot prevent their mobility 100%, but we can prevent the gatherings. If we are bounded to that, we can prevent the gatherings. Sorry to say that opposition leader doesn't mention that the protest gatherings affected Kerala very badly. Because not only the marriage functions or other gatherings, that protest gatherings also, several times we asked them not gather like that, 5 or people, 10 people, you can show the protest against government, but hundred of people gathered together and they shouted slogans. And out of that, 500 police personnel got this virus. You know, when they started to tackle this problem of the protest at that time, more than 500 policemen got virus and their families got it. And the people who were in the protest, their families also got the virus, and that way also some spread occur. That is not only the way, but also other gatherings also were here. But it is only 20% of the people. 80% were obeying our instructions.